So in this question over here, we are asked to solve x and y simultaneously. Since x and y are the two unknowns, we can see that there are two equations as well. So my tip for you guys is that whenever you see two simultaneous equations, always try and look for the one that looks the simplest. As you can see over here, x plus y equals 4 looks more simpler than 2x minus y equals -1. So I'm going to make this first equation over here blue, and I'm going to make the second equation purple. So you take the simplest looking equation, so it is x plus y equals 4, and we're going to basically manipulate this into deriving our third equation. So let's bring this y over, it becomes 4 minus y, and therefore we have our third equation. And x being the subject of the formula, we can now go ahead and plug this into each and every x value that we see in our second equation. Since there's only one x value, I'm only going to replace this section over here into that x over there. So I can now go ahead and just plug that in there. I get 4 minus y equals -1. So as you can see over here, the only unknown that we have over here is y, right? So therefore we can solve it. So let's first try and get rid of this brackets. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times -y, that will give us -2y minus y equals 1. So now let's just go ahead and solve for y. So that part over there will equal 3. So therefore y equals 3. So now I have my value for y. I can now go ahead and plug this y value back into the third equation to get the x value. So therefore I can say x equal 4 minus the y value being 3. And therefore x equal 1. Our point of intersection is therefore 1 and 3. And that's our final answer.